Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean your microwave. Microwaves have become an indispensable tool in today's modern kitchens. They allow us to cook meals in a fraction of the time of a conventional oven, but over time, food particles and splatters can accumulate on the inside of the unit, causing odors and bacteria to build up. This is why it's important to keep them clean. If your microwave isn't that dirty, you can do a basic cleaning. Start by opening up the door and cleaning out any loose food debris. Then set a cup of water inside and microwave it on high for 3 to 4 minutes. The goal is to boil it and create steam to help loosen any dried and stuck on food particles. Microwave oven power levels vary, so don't run it so long that all the water evaporates. Then remove the turntable and ring and set them in a sink full of soapy water to soak while we do the rest. Take a washcloth dipped in soapy water and wipe down the inside of the microwave, making sure to get the bottom, top, and all the walls. Then clean the inside of the door, making sure to get the gasket as well as the area around the latches. Then go back over it with a washcloth dipped in clean water to rinse. You can also spray it down with some hydrogen peroxide to disinfect it, then finish with a dry towel. Once you've finished up the inside, you can turn your attention back to the turntable and ring, give them a good scrub, then rinse, dry, and you're done. If your microwave is really dirty or has a lot of odors, you can use a similar procedure using vinegar or a lemon. Start with a cup of 50-50 water and white vinegar. For both the citrus and the vinegar methods, you'll want to let the microwave run for approximately 10 minutes so the steam can really build up. After the 10 minutes, let it sit for another 10 so it cools down and the steam has time to penetrate everything. If you don't like the smell of vinegar, simply add the juice and rind of 1 lemon to the initial cup of water used to steam the inside. Lemons are recommended, but you can use a lime or an orange if you don't have one. Once it cools down to a safe temperature, you can remove the cup, turntable, and ring, and repeat the other cleaning steps from before. Finally, you'll want to clean the exterior of the microwave, dust the top, sides, and back with a duster or clean cloth. Then wipe down the handle and control panel with some glass cleaner or warm soapy water. In order to keep your microwave clean and running smoothly, make sure you wipe it down on a regular basis and do the cleaning every few months. Once you get in the habit, you'll have a microwave that always looks and smells its best. It only takes a small amount of time, but has a massive impact on your enjoyment of the kitchen. As always, if you have any more questions, we're always happy to help at AppliancePartsPros.com.